Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. In today's video, I will be sharing my weekly laundry routine along with some tips and some weird laundry habits. If you're interested in some serious laundry motivation, stay tuned. When I am doing laundry, I always start with my bedding. So first tip, start with your bedding because it's probably going to take longer to dry and you want it to be dry for when it's time for you to go to sleep. Here is a quick run through of all the products I have been using lately. I do use the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. It is inexpensive and effective. I have tried more expensive laundry detergents and I don't see much of a difference. Here's a quick tip. If you're bored with your laundry routine and you want to switch it up, switch out your fabric softener or scent beads. They're less expensive and less of a commitment. That way, if you don't like it, you don't have a bunch of product left over. For my bedding, I like to use this OxiClean White Revive according to the package instructions, and then I use my laundry detergent. I don't use any bleach because I worry about yellowing. I just use this White Revive and my laundry detergent alone on a hot cycle. You guys, let me know in the comment section below if you do this too, but one of my weird laundry habits is that I feel like I have to put half of the detergent directly into the washer and then the other half on top. I don't know why, it's just a weird habit that I have. Once my bedding is in the washing machine, I sort the rest of our laundry. So we have my bedding and then the boys' bedding separately. The other loads include my white towels, my colored towels, my dark clothes, my colored clothes, my white clothes if I have enough for a full load. And then for the children, their loads include their dark clothes and their colored clothes all together. I used to separate their clothes when I used a different laundry detergent for the little one, but now that he's older and his skin isn't as sensitive, I just wash all of their stuff together. I'm adding my fabric softener. My washing machine does not have a dispenser that will time it for me and add my fabric softener during the rinse cycle, so I actually have to monitor it and come in here. I am looking to buy one of those Downy balls. Do you guys remember those? Alright, here is the first transfer of the day. Next up are towels. I am using my OxiClean again here. This time I am going to use bleach as well, just because towels are on the bathroom floor and in other germy places, so I want to make sure that they are super clean. And I am also washing these in hot water. just checking on my bedding. I want to make sure that it dries all the way through, so I am flipping it around inside out and making sure that the entire thing gets dry. We made it to the rinse cycle. I am now adding my fabric softener, and I'm also adding the Lysol fabric sanitizer. You want to make sure you add this to the rinse cycle. Don't mix it with your laundry detergent because the ingredients won't be effective. My bedding is dry, on to the next load. Next up, we have my children's colored clothes. So I just used laundry detergent to wash, and I didn't monitor the washing machine, so I didn't add any fabric softener either, and I just used a bounce sheet to dry. Another laundry tip, put your bedding back on your bed as soon as you get them out of the dryer. That way the wrinkles will fall out naturally by themselves. If you leave them sitting in a pile, they'll wrinkle up even more. Don't forget to clean out your dryer vent before every load. This decreases the likelihood of having a dryer fire and increases the efficiency of your machine. A laundry hack that I have seen is that people drop the cap into the washing machine to wash it out, but I always worry that it's going to snag some of my clothes or something weird is going to happen, so I always just use the cup to put water on top of the laundry that is on the opposite side of the water stream. That's probably a weird habit. I don't know. Does anybody else do that? Fun fact, I've lived in a couple of apartments that did not have washer and dryers, so I had to go to the laundromat. Did anybody ever go to the laundromat? I like the laundromat because you can get all of your laundry done all at one time. I'm talking 10 loads washed and dried in the time it would take you to do one load at home. But you had to lug all of your laundry, and for me that meant sometimes I had to lug my laundry up 3 flights of steps with 2 small kids. Ugh. Another weird laundry habit. Does anybody else use the clothes inside the washing machine to wipe off excess laundry detergent around the machine. I'm moving my other dirty loads into the living room so that I can have room to fold. I am going to put these away immediately, otherwise I know they will be sitting here for another week. Almost finished. This is everything except for one load that is in the dryer, but it was getting pretty late, so I just let that dry and went to sleep. I folded everything and put everything away before I laid down for the night. And we are all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the post notification bell. It really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.